Thinking about trying BodyAccel Whitening Toothpaste? It's been making the rounds online with claims that it can whiten your teeth using niacinamide, repair enamel with essential minerals, and keep your breath minty fresh, all in a gentle formula that's safe for everyday use. Sounds impressive, but does it actually live up to the hype? Let's start with the positives. Many users say the toothpaste feels really gentle, especially for those with sensitive teeth or gums. It doesn't have that overpowering minty burn that some other brands do, which makes it easier to use multiple times a day. Another thing people seem to like is how compact and sleek the tube is. It's great for travel or tossing into your bag without taking up much space. The use of niacinamide, typically seen in skincare, also caught attention. It's not a common ingredient in toothpaste, so it gives the product a modern, science-forward appeal. Another good sign? It's being sold on multiple reputable e-commerce platforms in addition to its own website. That kind of wide availability is usually a positive indicator of a product's reputation. It shows that trusted platforms feel confident offering it, and that it's not just some sketchy fly-by-night product. But now for the not-so-great parts. One concerning issue came up in a review where someone mentioned the toothpaste caused a reaction that required medical attention after it was accidentally swallowed. That's alarming, especially since toothpaste is expected to be safe for daily use, even if a little is swallowed. If you've got kids at home, this could be a serious drawback. Then there's the question of whether it actually works. Several users said they didn't notice any whitening at all, with one flat out stating that it just doesn't do what it promises. In the end, BodyAccel Whitening Toothpaste might be a decent option for people with sensitive teeth who want something different. But the safety concerns and questionable results mean it might not be the miracle product it claims to be. Always do your research and consider talking to a dentist before trying something new.